go die for
I want to say if you want to chop my money, baby, you must chop my money.
Left the Suya place. The name of this one is University of Suya, and the guy was actually really kind enough to allow us go backstage. Like we went to the back to film the entire thing, the way they were making it and everything. So I'll show you guys that as well. I just bought 1,000 naira Suya. We already bought a lot the first time and we are almost
filled up.
Yeah. So now we're going to the next spot. It smells good though. I think the smell of the onion gave it another flavor. Oh yeah, that wobble.
They don't have
toothpick.
Yeah, so that's -1.
-1 rating on 9.
It's actually not bad.
What did you buy?
Everything 111. So I bought one beef, one kidney, one gizzard, one of everything that they had, and everything was 900 naira.
Are you sure?
Yeah. The kidney, what's it called? What is this one? Kidney. It's so soft. It's as if it's raw.
Yes. I swallowed my own.
You kidney does not taste nice. So
It's too soft.
-1.
As another star coming out of their pockets. I have to swallow the kidney and eat it. Oh, wow. Giga. Beef cup.
I think I am not enjoying this one.
Okay, not be like
First one is better.
But this should be good though.
they don't off their light.
So this one I'll give them maybe 4. And they were nice, eh? They're actually nice. What do you give them?
That beef is nice.
But the kidney is too soft. It tastes. It's as if it's raw. I swear.
I said they no grill them.
I swear, like. Anyways,
so I'll give them. I'll give them 4 too.
4. What do you give
Because their
them?
beef is really nice.
How do you give them?
Let me have them 5.
So once they help them, I give them 4. But they're very nice. At least they allowed us backstage.
That's +1.
So this one, we're covering. I'm going to show this one. I'll take it home. My dog is
Sugar cane.
My dog is at home. I'll give him. Then we're going to the next.
If you want to chop my money, baby, you must chop my money. My body, oh my body, they my body, oh my lord. They my body, they your body, oh my lord. They my body, oh my lord. We're out here at the executive spot and hotel, you know, to get some
Executive pack.
to have fun. So catch me live at the Suya spot. Don't know. Peace out.
Don't know.
Oh, you have to sign you.
Sign us. Cash me outside. So first of all, even before eating this, they are too slow in this place. They talk too much. This global culture, they talk too fucking much.
They be gisting in Hausa.
Gisting in Hausa.
Full beef.
Full beef. Full beef. They actually talk too much. They wasted a lot of time. But the place is always busy, so I understand. But they talk too freaking much. Anyways, we're going to be trying. We didn't buy much. We just got one beef. One beef or one shaki. Beef. One beef and one shaki and one masa. That masa, I think it's rice they use in making it. We're trying it by saying. So this is what this year. This is what we bought.
Looking 7C.
This white stuff there is the masa. I don't hate that shit. My cousin bought it, but I'll be trying it as well.
Give you feedback on the massage.
And give me feedback.
Afakadaobu.
We hold it first.
Let's get in there one time.
Hold the camera. Let the owner of the food shop the food first. Hi there.
Oh yeah.
This is the masa.
I don't dey go of course.
I
So
eat
make
masa.
I chop it in our
Pack.
I eat
This is. I
masa.
want to try it. Oh my god.
Really nice.
This is the masa.
But the suya is not hot.
Don't you have oven in the car?
Oven there, are you high?
It's not bad. It's not very taste. It's the sweet pepper that make it
Pepper,
after.
yeah.
See, you don't have FC in the house.
So is that
Who told you?
Now you house be this one. They do.
God, put me come from my eye.
If you go down there, you see how big the house is.
Guy, there is one Oba house in this Korea.
See this house. Wow.
Oh yeah, Jim. The masa is actually not bad.
If you see the cars waiting inside the
Then the
compound,
shaki, let's taste the shaki.
So that's the
Just there.
shaki.
It's not really anything. So.
What about have you eaten the suya
The meat,
or the beef?
this is the beef.
The beef.
Beef.
one big.
Beef is actually nice. The
The
shaki
beef
is
is
just
always
there,
nice.
and the masa is okay. So that's it. We're going to the next spot. See ya soon. Bye. Can't rate this year. This particular one. Oh my God, pepper.
No talent.
Whew. It's very nice. Sorry. It's actually very nice, but it's very spicy, and I like it. Papa, you're too close to the wall.
Maybe me did it.
Very spicy. Okay, so it's very nice and it's very spicy, but it's very good. The masa, oh my God, the masa is okay. The shaki is tasteless. The beef is very nice. The beef the beef is very nice. Yeah, but it's
They
spicy.
chop water with that.
But they talk too much. I mean, I'd like to come back. Wow. I'd like to come back here, but they talk too much. Like they waste time. I think it's all those people that come with range and G-Wagon that they will answer first. They should not worry next time.
Also, they're not going to leave you for life.
Inshallah, 2020.
They said come with you also.
Also,
Next time, I'm coming here with a G-Wagon. How about that?
Also, me they know they park it for outside, bro.
Abio.
Also,
So when we got there, the security guy, you can park inside, you can park outside. When we now wanted to park inside, the guy said, no, people where they buy Suya, they park outside. I think they have like an hotel there or something, or a bar or a lounge, something. They should have something else in the compound. They say it's only the people going to that place that can park inside. And we saw so many people inside there buying Suya with their cars inside. Them Range Rover, them Benzo. But it's fine.
Also, maybe they're not going to tell you story when you want park.
They also, so make they not go, they tell you to, they will tell you to park outside. So you need to hustle. Yeah, I rated this year. This year is no, I've not rated this year. This year is I'll give it.
Give the 6.
I'll give it.
Suya no go hot now. It don't make sense.
I'll give it 5. But I like the fact that it's spicy. Papa, you're not eating.
Oh, it's too cold now. Let's see the go camp.
Next spot, and that one is that Global Cut is at Ikoyi. So if you just Google Global Cut Suya, I'll put the name on the screen. Global Cut Suya to bring it down. We're going to the next spot. Bye. See ya later. Me, I can love you, Goni. So the last suya place I wanted to try is actually beside my house, but they said the suya wasn't ready yet. I was going to have to wait 30 more minutes, and I'm already tired, exhausted. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I made, and if you want to see more videos like this of me doing Nigerian street food, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching.